In this video, I'll be showing you how to instantly remove the background from your line art drawings in Photoshop. This process is great for creating transparent PNGs when preparing work for DTG printing or your digital colouring projects. Hey guys, it's Dean here. I'm a pro horror artist from the UK and you're tuned in to photomanipulation.com. If you're new here, welcome. We're not your typical Photoshop channel, we specialise in photo manipulation, digital art and advanced Photoshop techniques. If that sounds like your kind of thing, be sure to like and subscribe as we put out new videos Monday to Friday. It's free, easy and really supports the channel. Let's roll the video, enjoy. So a short while back I was working on an apparel project and collaborating with some great illustrators. This piece here, this skeleton drummer, was done by my good buddy Dean Falsified Cook. Now what I needed to do was remove the line art illustration from its background, and I had to do this for each t-shirt design that I was working on. Now I wasn't overly satisfied with the older methods out there, things like select color range or alpha channels. After a bit of digging around, I actually found a really good solution on a forum. So what I thought I'd do today, just a quick tip for you, is give you the inside scoop on how I managed to remove the line art from its background and get flawless results, much better than any process I've ever used before. So this is a solid layer and this is just a placeholder background I've got to show you the transparency working. So the way to do this is very straightforward. It's pretty much an instant process and it works better than any other process I've used before, and it's the fan favorite blend if. So right click on your layer and go blending options. When the layer style dialog comes up, you hold down Alt and click across and drag across this black slider here. So on this upper slider, you hold down Alt, you click and drag that, and you pull it to the right. Go OK. Now then, that's pretty much done a great job already, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this on a white background, and you can see there's some tiny little edges there. Now in most cases, like if you're doing direct to garment printing, this wouldn't be a major issue, but if you're a perfectionist like me, you'd like this to be 100% perfectly white. So I'm going to put those backgrounds back. What you want to do is apply this blending style, and an easy way to do that is to create a new layer. I always use a shortcut, Shift Command and N, hit enter to go OK. And then what you want to do is you want to merge that down onto the blank layer below, and that will apply that blending style. So I'm just going to use the shortcut Command and E. That's Control and E if you're on a Windows, and what that leaves is just that layer as pixels that you can work with as it is. But what we want to do is ensure all of these edges are knocked out, and that's a very fast process. We're just going to right click, we're going to go blending options, color overlay, and we're going to set that to white. Go OK. When we put those backgrounds back, you can see that this is flawless, 100% white, no edges, completely usable. What you can do is just right click on there, the layer itself, and go rasterize layer style, and those pixels are ready to create a PNG or to be used for a coloring project, whatever you need that for. So I'm just going to step backwards, and the way I'm doing that is Alt Command and Z, and we're just going to get back to the original. And what I want to demonstrate to you now is that the same is true. You can do the same with the blacks as well. So we're going to go blending options, and we're going to come down here and we're going to do the same as before, but we're going to do it with the white. I believe it's this one here. Nope, it's not that one, it's this one here, and you can see that transparent placeholder layer coming through. And as before, there's this white trim on here that we want to get rid of. So we're going to have a black background so we can see what's going on. I'm going to zoom in, and we're going to go new layer, Shift Command N, and the same trick, Command E, just to apply that. Then we're going to right click on there. We're going to go blending options. Let's get that transparency going. And then we're going to right click. We're going to go blending options, color overlay, and we're going to go for black. Of course, you don't always have to use black or white, but this is for the purpose of showing you line art in action, and we'll show that with a white background. And that's also selectable, so if you was doing a coloring project, you could color within the lines or whatever was necessary. So I'm just going to step backwards using my favorite shortcut, Alt Command and Z, to get us back to the original. There we go, back to the beginning. Okay, if your line art has pencil marks or things like that, what you can do is use levels to make the whites whiter and the blacks blacker if you run into any issues with the clarity of your artwork. This process will work best with very clearly defined whites and blacks. So that's it for today's video, guys. Just a quick tip from me. I hope you enjoyed that. Lots more coming soon. I'll see you at the next video. Catch you then.